In this video, we'll get an overview of the Buzzy Workspace, where you can use Buzzy AI to generate a first version of your app. Now, depending on how you came across Buzzy, you might have already done this via the prompt form on our website, in which case you might already be previewing your initial Buzzy application. If that's the case, you'll already have a Buzzy account and access to the Buzzy Workspace. If not, sign up now. Also, please note, to access Buzzy's AI features, you'll need a subscription. Free trials are available. Using Buzzy AI features requires AI tokens. Some are included in the subscriptions and free trial, and you can purchase additional tokens as needed. Once you have signed into Buzzy, you'll be in a version of your Buzzy Workspace. If needed, access it from the App Preview window here. The Buzzy Workspace is where you can create and manage your Buzzy apps. All the apps you have owner or editor access to will display here. Click on an app to access its admin interface, where you can control the app data model, users, settings, and more. We'll jump back to the main workspace. The next video will show you how to create your new app.